don't worry. First, I need to send the links to download the software. Then I will explain. First, you have to install. You should download the software. Then I will show you how to install it. Don't worry. Right now, immediately, I am posting the links. Just hold on. Okay, here I am giving two links to download VMware and also to download Ubuntu. Please download the software. I am posting these links into our GoToMeeting chat window. All of you, please copy. Copy and save in your system. Yes, please copy these two links. All of you, don't miss that. Okay, so by using those two links, if you download, first VMware folder will be downloaded. Why it is so near us? Okay, hold on. I am sending for you privately. Are you not able to see in the chat window? In the message window? Check it out. Okay, hold on. Do one thing. Let me copy these links into our class document. I want to copy these links into our session document directly. After the session, I will send the document to you. In that document, you are also having links. Hold on. Our document today is day 3. Remember, all of you, day 3. At the end of day 3, here I am writing. Yes, you can take screenshot, no problem. See, drive links to download VMware and Ubuntu. So remember, both are related to 64-bit. Both are. I hope everybody is seeing these links, right? All of you guys know how to install right now. First of all, you need to download the software into your system. Then I can access your system and I will show you installation process. The session will be recorded. If I forward the same video to you, then based on that video, remaining people can install yourself. It's not an issue. Okay, today by using these links, please download the softwares. And remember, both are valid for 64-bit operating system, 64-bit Windows operating system only. Okay, now let me go back. Today we are going to discuss about basic commands. See, general commands. What are the general commands? General commands are useful to know the system information. to know about the system information. These commands are useful to know about system information. Okay, what is the system information? Uh, in C drive, we need at least 50 GB. Okay, let us see general commands. So these commands are useful to know the system information. What is the system information? What is today date? What is calendar? How to get logged in users? How to get current user information? Okay, see date. It will display system date, day name, month, year number, time zone, so on so. So this information is displayed by simply submitting date command. But I want to display some components of date. Listen carefully. Date command along with the %d option. Then it will display digits of date. Date command with the %. Simple. Don't by heart the commands. Date to get the date. And remember, dollar is by default you have the prompt. Don't type dollar again. Dollar is the default prompt. Don't type dollar again. So date command with %d. What is our date format? DD, MM, YY. General, our human being format. Date format is DD, MM, YY. In the DD, take one D and then you will get digits of date. In MM, take one M. So then you will get digits of month. In the year, write the %Y. Then it will display last digits of 2 digits of year. Every option I will show you practically, don't worry. %A, it will display short name of day. %A, display full name of day. %B, short name of month. Full name of month is given by %B. Next, cal. What is the first command we finished? Date. It will display system date, day name, month name, digits of date, year number, time zone, time. Okay, now we are discussing about cal. Cal means calendar. It will, by default, it will display current month calendar. Current month calendar of current year. Current month calendar of current year. If you want to get different month calendar from different year, write this. It will display 5th month calendar of the year 2015. And next, it will display 11th month calendar of 2000. No, sir, I want to see complete year calendar. How can I see complete year calendar? It's by using cal space year number. Only write the year number. Don't write any month number. So calendar command with the year number will display complete year calendar. And who am I? It will display current username. And who am I with the spaces. After who there is a space. After am there is a space. Who am I? So it will display current user information. Current user information. See only organizers here. Hold on. Hold on. Actually, whenever I send the messages, it was gone to only organizers. Again, I am sending 2 links to all the audience. Please go through with this. Now you can see in the chat box, there are 2 links are available. I hope you got it right. Yeah, right. Okay, right. Thank you all of you. And then see, so who am I? It will display only current username. Who am I with the spaces? It will display current user information. Here you are getting only username, but here we are getting username connected to which terminal, at what time he connected. Clear, to clear the screen. Banner, this is the old command. It is not working under Linux. It will not work under Linux. Banner means whatever the string or whatever the word you are giving here, after banner command, whatever the word you are writing here, that will be displayed like a banner format. Banner means highlighting your string. That banner format is printed in the form of prompt symbol. Banner format is printed in the form of prompt symbol. See, what is the character you are giving? H. H will be printed in big size, and H is formed with the prompt symbol dollar. With the dollar symbol, are you getting like a character H? Yes. This is in Unix. It is not working under Linux. Password. So if you want to change current user password, then use passwd. If you want to change current user password, then use passwd. Say passwd, hit enter. Immediately it is asking what is the current password. Assume that current password is welcome and enter new password. New password is welcome123. So again, confirm the new password. Yes, confirmed. Then it will display a message, authentication token successfully updated. Okay, let us see. This command is also printing current username, echo $user. Don't worry about echo command. Why? Because we will discuss about echo in future. Echo $user. For the time being, understand echo is printing command, output command. It is displaying output of this value. What is this actually? It is a system defined variable. It is a system defined variable. So it will print current user name. It is printing current user name. PWD, it is printing working directory name, present working directory. Some people can say print working directory. Present working directory, or some people can say print working directory. What is the use of this command? It will display current directory name. And if you want to know current shell, then use $shell, echo $shell. It will print current shell name. And exit, it can log out the current user in CUI, whereas it will close shell window in GUI. It will close current shell window in GUI. Remember. Yeah. And last command is uname. Uname will print current operating system name. Uname is printing current operating system name. So before going to discuss, let me minimize. Now tell me, I think some of the people are regularly attending. Tell me, I want to log on into Ubuntu Linux. Tell me what is the first step. The people who are regularly attending, answer me, what is the first step? Very good, Sheikh. Connected to VMware. First, we have to open VMware. Here, this is VMware. Select it. Okay, in VMware, we installed. Yeah, the next step is power on this virtual machine. Here I have a question. Here in VMware, under VMware, we installed Ubuntu operating system. Like this, can I maintain any other Windows operating system? Yes, we can also maintain any other operating system like Linux. Not only Linux, if you want to maintain two operating systems in your system under VMware, you can also maintain other operating system. Let me power on this virtual machine. In the last session, you have seen different internet connection means, right? Sheikh, ask me again. Didn't get you. Yes, you can. Yes. See, in the last session, you have seen different environment, but today you will see different environment. There is a reason because last night I updated my Ubuntu version. The latest version of Ubuntu Linux is 18.04. 18, yes, 18.04. Actually, in my system, you can observe in the last videos, previous videos, in my system, I have 16.04. What is Ubuntu 18.04 means? Ubuntu Linux released in 2018. That is in April. April month number is 04. That's why they are saying 18.04. Wait some time. Last night I updated to 18.04. It is, I think it will take some time before that. Okay. How to create a user account? Let me recall our previous session. How to create a user account? Sudo add user. Sudo space add user. Sudo space add user username. Yeah, see here. In the last video, if you observe different environment we are seeing, now we are seeing a different environment. So in the last session we created, Dinesh 7 is the user account. Let me connect. Please select it. If you select it, automatically it is prompting for password. Okay, so the password we used is welcome 7 and hit on sign in. And also in the desktop, also look and feel is different in 18 version. Desktop look and feel is also different in 18th version. Hold a moment. Okay, before going to this desktop, let me ask you. Suppose you are working with the GUI environment. You want to switch into CUI. How can I? All of you guys, some people not attended yesterday, please watch the previous videos also. I will provide the links. Watch the previous videos. Again, I am repeating. No, you are working with the GUI, then I want to switch into CUI. No, 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 all of you are wrong. See, if you want to go to CUI, see, I think you are seeing my screen. This is desktop. First, let me give you what are the differences between old version and current version. See, in the old versions, we don't have this one, show apps. We don't have this choice. Okay. In the old version, suppose if I opened, if I am exploring files, you can see the changes here. See here, apps, dock is different. See, in the old versions, here I am exploring the files. These are the files. In the old versions, in the old versions, If you want to close this window, the window will be closed in the left side. See, minus button, minimize button, restore button, close button. Minimize button, restore button, close button are available in the top left corner in the old versions. But in 18th version, we are getting like Windows. In Windows operating system, minimize, restore, close buttons are available from top right. In the 18th version of Ubuntu, they are keeping these buttons in the top right only. Close this. And you can see here, actually you are unable to see some kind of, hold on. See here, activities, welcome to Ubuntu. Activities and welcome to Ubuntu. These are not available in the old version. And here, day name, time. It is also available in the end of the page, right? It was dragged in the right side in the old versions. Now it is available in middle of the screen. Hope you understand, right? Okay. So this is the changes. Already here you have this. Close button is available in the top right corner. System menu is available in the right side. Calendar and notifications available in the middle of the screen. Applications menu is like this. Activities is not available in the previous. Now it is available. And dock is a different format. And finally, apps button is available. Okay, anyway, this is the GUI environment. How can I switch into CUI? Just now you have given some command, control functional key alt F7. I want to switch into CUI. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Again, try. See, I am showing you control functional key alt F1. Then you will be switched into CUI. Control functional key alt F2. Again, let me go back. F3. Yeah, see here. For 1 and 2, it is not taking. It will take some time. Why? Because just last night only it was updated. That's why it is not taking control functional key alt F1, so on so. Okay, how to switch into GUI? Control functional key. Here it was changing. Yeah. Yeah, let me make some modifications. Let me make some rebootings, then it will be working. Generally, what is the rule to switch into CUI? Control functional key alt F1, F1 to F6. How many combinations you can use? You can use up to 6 combinations. We can use first to Krishna, that is the like first user login. Yes. Control alt F1, control functional key alt F1 to F6. Okay, now coming to here, this is GUI. How can I execute commands? By using shell window. How to open shell window? How to open shell window? Right click. If you have right click, no, right click, is it working? Not working. Here you have something, search window. You have search window. or otherwise show applications. Show applications. It is working very slowly. In this applications, I want to go for terminal. Did you understand? Yesterday, what I have given to you? Again, let me hit escape. Escape. See, if I right click here, if I right click down the desktop, you are getting terminal window, shell window. But here it is not supporting. Right click is not working. That's why he is giving a statement. Ubuntu 18.04 works differently from older versions. Okay. Right click is not supported. Another shortcut key, Control Alt T. Control Alt T. Control Alt T. Shortcut actually. Is it ready or not? Yes. Control Alt T to open your terminal. This is one method. Okay, let me close this. Okay, Control Alt T, only T, small t. Suppose two times I applied, that's why it was opened two times. Okay. Another method is, one is shortcut, another one is go to apps. Go to apps in the bottom left corner. Hit it. Then it is displaying applications. Just go down. Here you have terminal, or just select apps and here you can type terminal. So terminal, automatically you can see terminal. Select this window. Select the icon, terminal icon. Then terminal window will be opened. So many icons were changed. How to increase this font size? Actually, Shift Control Plus. Yes, it was increased. Shift Control Plus. Now here you can execute commands. All of you, are you able to see the commands clearly? All of you. Okay, okay, right. Thank you. And let me execute. First, I want to know what is the operating system name. See, if you are working in real time in the companies, whenever you are working with this, only you can see dollar symbol. You don't see anything. You don't see this additional information. You will never see this. Only you can see dollar symbol. So many students, so many real-time employees asked me, I am unable to find out what is the Unix flavor we are working with, or what is the Linux flavor we are working with. How to find out? By using uname. What is the operating system you are working with? Linux. So what is the complete information of this Linux? Uname -a. Uname -a. So operating system name, server name, Ubuntu local is the server. And some other, what type of Linux it is? GNU Linux means GUI. It's a GUI Linux. Okay, now by using uname you can find out operating system name and also operating system information. And say come to here. Next one is, what is date? It will display day name, month name, digits of date, time zone, year number. How can I get only digits of date plus within the double quotes %d? Only you are getting digits of date. How to get digits of month? only M, date with percent M, 10th month. Our month is also 10th month. Next, last 2 digits of year, small y. Complete year number, capital Y. Short name of the day, small a. Date with percent A, small a. Full name of the day, capital A. And small name of month, small b. Short name of month. Full name of month, capital B. Hope you understand how to apply. This is about date command. We can display complete information of the date as well as parts of the date, components of the date also we can see. Okay, next one is how to see calendar. Just use cal. It will display current month calendar. It is displaying current month calendar, October 2018. Clear, to clear up the screen. To clear up screen. Hold on. Hold on. Now I think you are able to see very clearly. Okay, clear, to clear the screen. Screen was cleared. Next one, what is working directory? Print working directory. There is a default directory created for current user account. There is a default directory created for current user account. That is called as present working directory or print working directory. Understand? Next one, who? List of logged in users. Who am I? Only current username. Who am I? Actually, this has to display. They both are different. No space in the command, but here we have spaces. It is displaying current username. It has to display complete user information. Hold on. Okay, let me connect as Dinesh 51, different user, and password is welcome 51. Clear the screen. Here, who am I? Is it displaying complete information? Yes. Username, terminal number, login date, login time. Okay. Hope you understand. And then come to here. Now, calendar completed, PWD completed, who am I? Clear. And what is exit? Exit will close your shell window. In CUI, what is exit? See, let me switch into CUI. Exit will log out current user. The current user was logged out. Okay, again, come back to GUI. Here, let me open terminal window. Control Alt T. Control Alt T. To increase the font size, Shift Control Plus. Shift Control Plus to increase the font size. To decrease the font size, Control minus. To decrease the font size, control minus. Okay. Now, who is the current user? Already we know that. Another command to know the current user name is $user. Dinesh7 is the current user. What is the current shell? Echo $shell. Then it will display current shell name. You are working with bash. The default shell under Linux, Ubuntu Linux, is bash. Any Linux, the default shell is bash. And is there any other commands? This is about basic normal commands. Echo shell, pwd, how to change password, we have to discuss everything, reminding all the things we discuss. The command should always in uppercase. Yeah, there is a reason, all of you. This is a good question. Listen carefully. These are system defined variables. Remember, system defined variables. And whatever the commands we are writing, the commands should be in lowercase. Don't write the commands in uppercase. It's not valid. Don't write commands in uppercase. It is not valid. I will show you date. It will not work. Command not found. Suppose cal, command not found. Even single character, not like this. cal, C is capital, remaining is small. Not working. So don't type the commands in capital case. Only commands should be in small case. Why? Because Unix and Linux are both are case sensitive operating systems. Case sensitive operating systems. Both operating systems are case sensitive. And we need to discuss about passwd. See, passwd. It is useful to change current user password. Who is the user? Dinesh7. Enter. Changing password for not changed. By mistake, I typed. I hit enter key 2 times. Again, I'm repeating. So current password. Welcome 7. New password. Oracle 7. Retype new password. Oracle 7. New and old passwords are too similar. Again enter new Unix password. Okay. So here I am entering Dinesh. Okay. I want to enter ORA. 2480. Again ORA 2480. See here, password updated successfully. So what is the current password of Dinesh? ORA 2480. Okay, so this is the way we can write the commands. Now, what are the different types of files in your Unix? In Unix or Linux, we have 3 types of files. First one is normal or regular files. It contains text data. Directory files. Directory files are known as folders. These are useful to organize your files. Suppose you are downloading movie songs. It's different language songs, Hindi songs, English songs, Telugu songs. Assume that. If you are maintaining all languages songs in single folder, what is happening? If you want to play English song, you have to search all the files. If you want to play Hindi song, again you have to search all the files. Instead of that, if you arrange all English songs at one place, all Hindi songs in one place and all Telugu songs in a different place. In future, if you want to play Hindi song, then only you will search under Hindi folder. If you want to play English song, then only you can search under English folder. It will save your search time. You can easily organize the files. So what is the use of directory file? To organize the files. What is a special file? Special files are used by only system, like USB drivers, graphic drivers, hard disk drivers, printer software, scanner software. These are the drivers used by only system components. Those are called as special files. Again, how many types of files are there? Three types: regular file, directory file, special file. Regular file contains data, normal data. Directory file contains set of files and set of subdirectories. Special files are used by only system components. Okay, what are the built-in directories? Already we discussed it. Let me go back. What are the built-in directories? Built-in directory means files are two types: system-defined files and user-defined files. System-defined files provided along with Ubuntu software, and system-defined files are useful to organize your operating system. User-defined files created by user. Okay, how can I see system-defined files? System-defined files are available under root directory. System-defined files are available under root directory. What is your current directory? Dinesh 7. So what is the root directory? This is the root directory. All of you see, this slash is known as a root directory. Under this directory, you can see system defined folders. Directory is nothing but a folder. Okay, we are working with Dinesh 7. How can I move back to this place? How can I switch to this place? As follows. First, from this place, switch into home. From home, switch into this place. How to switch? cd dot dot. Check the current directory. Home means you are successfully switched from Dinesh to home. Again, cd dot dot. What is current directory? Slash means from home you are successfully switched to slash, means right now you are working with root directory. Under root directory you can see system defined files, ls. Already we discussed it. Today a little bit more in depth we are discussing. ls will display list of available files from current directory. List of available files from current directory. See, these are called as system defined directories. Each system defined directory contains a set of files. Already we discussed which directory contains what type of data. Already we discussed this part in video 2. Please watch video 2. Bin contains user related binaries. Sbin contains system related binaries. Proc contains processes information. SRV contains services information. OPT contains add-on applications information. Home contains user accounts information. Like that, each and every one is having some significance is there. So each directory is containing some set of files. Yeah, Christopher. CD dot dot means changing directory into parent directory of current directory. Parent directory of current directory. Why should I not touch that point is because if you understand what is CD, what is dot dot, we should discuss directory related commands. Directory related commands. Okay, so how to create our own directories, that part we will discuss tomorrow. So by tomorrow, I hope that at least any one of you, yes, system only root directory contains only system defined files, not user defined files. Suppose if you install any applications, that applications will be available under this one. First of all, OPT. Under OPT only, user requested application. So you should not create any files here. Okay. And then say something I want to know. See, by tomorrow, any one of you, at least any one of the person, something yes, how can I get previous video session classes? See, the people who did not submitted mail ID yesterday, the people who did not submitted mail ID yesterday to me, all of you please type your mail ID. Please type your mail ID in the chat window so that I will copy your mails and then I will send the previous video session links as well as documents. Yeah, I got Kirti something, Kana. Yeah, Ashish, I got it. No, Arun Kumar, no problem. Just we are at the basic level only. Watch the videos. Yeah, Kishore also, no problem. You will be able to understand, no issue. So the people who did not submitted yesterday, mail ID yesterday, please type your mail ID today. Neeraj Lala, I sent the videos yesterday's videos. Neeraj, have you submitted mail ID to me yesterday? Hold on. Yeah, Arun Kumar. How many days the UNIX class? Yeah, 25 days. The total duration is 25 days. Neeraj Lala. Yeah, see, I think you are seeing the mail ID. er.neeraj lla.cs. I send the files to all these people. See here, these are the people. I filtered according to this. Yeah, here you have your mail ID is here. No problem. Yes. Okay, yesterday is the wrong one. Okay, okay. I think LLA by mistake you have given LLA. Yeah, modified. Okay, okay, right. Modified, no problem. I will send today. Neeraj Lala. Okay, .cs. So I will copy all of your mail IDs and I will send old video sessions and also today's video session, including documents. And let me conclude my point. By tomorrow, any one person, at any one of you, you can download the videos directly, Ganakirti. Control Alt F7 means switching from CUI to GUI. No, I am giving 16.04 version. If you are interested, you can update with 18.04. I will tell you how to update. There is a simple one command, do hyphen release hyphen upgrade. That's all. Okay.